Speed kills, but too many speed traps can kill a city's revenue streams. That's the lesson the city of Menifee learned the hard way last year. But after lobbying lawmakers, changes have been made, and THV 11's Ian Russell says the city's new leaders are eager for an image change.
A lot has changed since we were last out here in Menifee back in August and November last year. People telling city officials they plan to just speed through town has been all too common for city officials' likings. But rather than just sitting back and watching these people speed through their hometown, city officials got to work to change laws. There's a saying on the wall in Menifee City Hall.
Looking to capitalize on people coming through here. That's not what we're about.
Those who follow us will point with pride to our efforts, an old saying with new meaning.
It wasn't a bad law, it was just some things that was in the law that needed to be changed.
In 2020, over 30% of the city's total revenue came from traffic citations, breaking Arkansas law. The punishment, local police couldn't write speeding tickets for an entire year.
Even though you witness people speeding, they're not allowed to do anything at that point.
It's been a tough 9 months, made even more frustrating because city officials say what happened wasn't their fault. According to them, nearly $46,000 came in 2020 from unpaid fees from 2013 to 2019.
Without that $46,000, would you have been well under that 30% threshold, do you believe?
I believe we would have.
With that in mind, they worked with state lawmakers to get two bills passed, House Bill 1621 and 1712, amending what's considered revenue and what fees are assigned to cities.
Hopefully you see the case that this was something that was beyond our control, and so the unfairness in it is very visible.
Now, revenue is only fines and costs from speeding tickets and arrests, no longer including failure to appear and pay. It's a small change in language, but a big change for Arkansas, these leaders say. While they don't like the situation they're in, they're fine being the example if this doesn't happen to anyone again.
Well, for me, this is home, and if you're not going to defend anywhere, where are you going to defend? It's home.
In Menifee, Ian Russell, THV 11 News.
Ian, thank you. There are 4 months left on the Menifee speed trap ticket ban, but the mayor says they are appealing to end it sooner. Mayor Coleman also said the main reason for pushing to get off the hook is not to get those fines flowing again, it's to keep the city safe.